Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets that I have. So starting off with my most favorite and then my less favorite. So my most favorite is this orange pop tube that I got when I was at my friend's house. And yeah, so this is the sounds that it makes. It's called a pop tube. And this is how long it stretches out. It can wrap around my neck and it can actually do that. And now it's a necklace, but I don't really like doing it that much. But this is my most favorite fidget. It's like ultra rare in the fidget trading. It's ultra rare. And then going to the legendary, my second favorite. This is the legendary puppet. I don't really like it because puppets are old now. They're not that famous anymore. This one doesn't really make that much noise, but it's fine. And that's my brother, by the way. Oh, brush. But yeah, this is when it's loud. And yeah. And my third favorite fidgets are these ultra rare puppets. They are the same. You can tell that these are different because this one has a lighter blue and this one has a darker blue. And then my fourth favorite fidget is this fidget spinner. It doesn't have the things because my friend gave me this and she took the things out and said that she wasn't giving me them because she only gave me this fidget spinner because inside of the thing was all rusty. Oh, and I'm a little bit sick. And my fifth favorite fidget is this one because it makes noises. It's a remote control, but I call it a fidget pad. Oh, and the fidget spinner is just rare. This is common. And then my last favorite fidget that I have is this one. It's also a remote control, but I use it as a fidget remote. And yeah, those are all my fidgets. And my favorite thing about this fidget is the red dot. And yeah. It stretches out really good. It's really bendable. Doesn't break at all. And my favorite thing about the pop tube is the noises. It makes a lot of noises. sorry about my nose, it's just really runny. Ready? How satisfying is that? Okay, well, I'll see you in my next fidget video, or maybe in the next video I post. So, I'll see. No. So, see? I'll see you guys soon. Bye!